each rhythmical figure has a correspondent gesture. So, in my book, you will find which are the gestures for some rhythmical figures. For example, doublets. Ta, 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 ta. Fai qualcosa così. Sì, ta, ta, anche accordi ribattuti, non troppo staccati. Simple, yes? Triplets. Simple. Which is the difference among these? Ta, 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 and this. Ta, 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 ta. It's different, yes? In the triplets or ternary time, the technical principle is the circle. Ta, ta. Fai la stessa cosa. Why this works well with the triplets or ternary time? Minuet and valse and a lot of things. Because the circle is the only geometrical figure which is possible subdivided in three parts. Ta, 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 ta. Un po' più lento. Ta, 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 ta. So the gesture for triplets is based on this. Now, together, I conduct doublets. Follow my gesture. You ta 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 ta. Okay. Simple, yes? Triplets. Now, experiment. I will change duplets and triplets. I don't say when. Okay. You must learn this, because as you see, it's very natural. More time I teach, and I understand that it was really a genius, my teacher, because he found the key of the new language, because it's natural language. What I do with you, it works everywhere. In Brazil, in Spanish, in Italy, of course, and in America, it's the same. It's a natural language. So, it's a universal language. We have also, of course, gesto for quartine, come dice?
Don't say 16 notes.
6 is not. Ta 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 ta. Please. Which is the pattern for staccato. So we have ta 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 ta. We have also gesture for dot, a double dot. Ta 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 ta. Please. Simple. Double dot. Ta, ta ta, pa pam, ta ta. It's very simple. But this, after, not in 5 days of course, but in more time, when you have a score, because music is composed by rhythmical figures, yes? You now know how to feel the space or the time among an impulse or and the other one. Is it clear? Oh, double dot. I must do something like in this way, or triplets, because of course, in music is composed by this. So this is a very big help for you when you master, when you have time, several months, you open the score. This is a very big help. Oh, probably because music is not only separated impulse, but they are connected. And from here to here, there is music. So you must know how to feel also the space from here to here. And you know that there are rhythmical gestures which you can use, and of course which are helpful for the players. So this about the main technical principle which we will try to study in these few days and to applicate to the music which will conduct. Of course, I repeat that in 5 days you cannot become a conductor, of course, but you know the route, how to say, which you must follow, on which you must walk if you decide to continue to go on. Okay,